fast catch. Hit the water and it's like, ooh, food. As you can see, it's a little one. So this here's the Z-Man jackhammer and the bongo from 6 cents. I like that combination a little better than the paddle tail on the, at least on the jackhammer. I do have a mini max, but I like using the 3.2 paddle tail on that one. There's the new fish finder. I like it. A lot bigger screen. Better depiction of what's going on down below. Oh, this one feels good. Unless it's a tree. I think it's a tree. There's no fighting back. Oh, camera, you're bad luck, I tell you. Okay. Try to come up over here, but not have you guys face the sun, so we'll see how this goes. There we go, something with some size to it. Oh, good head shakes. Oh, good one. Oh, there we go. Howdy, fella. Go this way with it. Got a nice little belly to it. All right. 2.31. All right. All right, let's go ahead and get a release on this guy. And away he goes. All right. Starting to get bigger. That one was 2.31 pounds. So go from half a pound to 2.5 pounds almost. I'll take that. It's a pretty good increase. Oh, another one. Not very big though. Another one here, so